hearty welcome to You Can, a channel that will help you to succeed in examinations easily.
We are now going to see another question regarding RL transients. In the circuit shown, switch S is in position 1 for a long time and brought to position 2 at time t equal to 0. You have to determine the circuit current, that is the transient current at the position 2. Okay, consider the circuit. The switch has two positions. At first the switch is in position 1 for a long time. Long time means that is t is infinity. After steady state, that is after a long time, the switch is transferred to second position. Okay, so at second position the inductor will have an initial condition, which is the current through the inductor when it is at position 1. Okay, so at first position the circuit will be like this: 100 volt, 10 ohm and 4 Henry. Okay, now what will be the current I of t? So the current will be V by R into 1 minus e power minus R by LT, and after a long time means at t equal to infinity, this e power, this infinity will become 0. So I of t equal to infinity, it will be V by R. Okay, so V by R means 100 by 10, that is equal to 10 amps, which is the current through the inductor when it is at position 1 for a long time. Okay, for a long time, that is at steady state. At steady state the current is 10 ampere. We can also find the value in this manner too. What is the behavior of an inductor at steady state? At steady state, inductor behaves as a short. If it is behaved as a short circuit means the circuit will become like this: 10 ohm, it's a short. Now what is the current I? Current I is 100 divided by 10, that will be 10 amps. You can do in both the methods, okay, whichever is familiar to you. Okay, now at first position the switch has been for long time, so after t equal to infinity the current through the inductor is 10 amps. This 10 amps is the initial condition of the inductor when it is at second position. Okay, now let us see the second position. So at second position the circuit will be, okay, ten ohm, 4 Henry. Okay, now the current flows through this inductor in this direction. So the previous current I of 0 will be in this direction. That will be 10 amps. Okay, now let's find the current I of t. What is I of t? By applying KVL. By using KVL, what is the equation? 10 into I of t plus 4 into di of t by dt will be equal to, there is no voltage source, so it is 0. Now apply Laplace. 10 I of s plus 4 into s I of s minus I of 0, that is equal to 0. This I of 0 is 10 amps. Okay, now 10 I of s plus 4s I of s minus 40 is equal to 0. So 10 I of s plus 4s I of s equal to plus 40. Take this I of s common outside, it is 10 plus 4s is equal to 40. So I of s will be, I of s will be 40 divided by 10 plus 4s. So take this 4 common outside. So 40 divided by 4 into s plus 10 by 4. Okay, that is 40 divided by 4 is 10 divided by s plus 5 by 2. 5 2s are 10, 4 2 is 8. So 5 by 2. So this is I of s. Now we have to find I of t, which is the transient current needed. What is the circuit current when it is at position 2? So I of t is equal to 10 into e power minus 5 by 2t. That's all. Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. Wish you all the best.